Hello, everyone. I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things I found interesting with the Charlie Kirk official Fedslop narrative that just don't seem to line up with the magic 30-06 bullet. In my opinion, he seems to have injuries on his torso that are certainly not in line with the so-called magic bullet to the neck. I, like everyone else, that can't just wrap my head around the official narrative. Unbelievable narrative. I have been searching for answers. I came across some photos taken by Charles McClintock there at UVU. If you haven't seen his work, you should check it out at charlesmcclintock.com. I have so many questions, and the more that I question, the more questions I get. The only thing I am certain of is what they have told us definitely did not happen. So let's start with my first question, and I'm going to show you this photo, and hopefully you can help try to figure out what it is. So hopefully you can see this, and I'm talking about this strand hanging down here under Charlie's arm. It doesn't appear to be his necklace. I believe if it was his necklace, it would be straight, not with the curve. Could be maybe the guy behind him's mic came undone. I don't know. But you can also see some of the injury that I'm talking about here that I'll zoom in on so that you can see it better here on his torso. It's definitely not his neck. Definitely is not lining up with 30-06 to the neck. It's definitely not the side that he was pushed over onto. So let me bring in that zoomed in one. Hopefully you could see that a little bit better. It's not the best quality because I had to zoom in. But what are these injuries? What are they? What the hell are those injuries caused from? Yeah, and if we don't keep asking the questions, we're not never going to get any answers. And we may never know the truth or the full story or the right answers. But at least we know that we tried. And Charlie deserves that. So hopefully y'all can look at those and see what you see. And we can just keep searching. And I know the more people that keep searching and looking and demanding answers, well, we can't demand them. We're not going to get them. But we can definitely search and ascertain our own answers. And quite frankly, the silence and sometimes the bullshit that is put out there is more telling than somebody just coming right out and just saying it. So let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. I wanted to keep this short. So hopefully y'all have a good night. And let's keep doing this. Let's keep working on every single detail that we can find and try and figure out what happened to Charlie. Because I say it again, Charlie deserves that. Good night. I hope you guys have a good night.